I'm going to give you a brief review of the big data analytical systems, our global tech ecosystem, and the longevity tech ecosystem. I think the first thing to say is that our methods and systems have been developed over nearly 10 years. And when Dimitri founded the group, he started by creating the initial framework of the industries and analysing deep tech and longevity. Then we moved to the production of fundamental analytical reports, then moving on to advanced visualizations and mind maps. These were originally static, but as you know now they're fully interactive visualizations, which I'll talk about. And then we moved to thematic dashboards, and finally we announced our newest iteration, which is the AI-driven big data analytics dashboards. So what do they offer? Well, as it says, we offer profound investment and data science and analytics via customized IT platforms. There are literally hundreds of thousands of companies that we analyze. In DeepTech, for instance, 40,000 investors, however many data points, and many, many parameters for SWOT analysis. I think you can see that we are quite focused. Our sector focus is at the bottom there: health tech, deep tech, biotech, longevity, gov tech, and philanthropy. How should you think about these particular dashboards? What do they offer? I think the point is that this is the first operating solution which offers a combination of the best of Palantir for data science, Bloomberg for financial analysis, but not publicly, well, it is publicly listed, but we also do private market financial analysis, and then PitchBook for networks and matching tools. Each one of those three companies have a very good USP, but only our solution offers a combination of all three. These are the existing Deep Knowledge Group's big data analytics systems and dashboards. Again, going back to our analytical subsidiaries, you can see that through Aging Analytics, Deep Pharma, Deep Knowledge, these are the key dashboard parameters for the various existing dashboards. The other thing that I'm sure you're aware if you've come to our events is the ever-developing evolution of our group. And we always have a pipeline of projects, initiatives, alliances, and the same is it's absolutely the same with our big data analytical systems and dashboards. So we're starting with the longevity investment, and now we're moving through the finance, the public longevity, the governance, which is very important. One thing I should say about the longevity governance is, and it links into philanthropy, is using SWOT analysis, using AI-driven SWOT analysis, you can analyze and rank anything you want. It's a machine learning algo. So it doesn't just apply to private companies. You can apply it to philanthropy. You can measure the social impact of projects. Equally, you can analyze every single national health system in the world. And we will analyze however many hundred parameters, and you will be able to rank the system by the rank, and you will also be able to understand why and how that rank exists. So this is particularly when we look at what's happened in the last 3 years, this is a fundamental advance in analysing public services, not just private companies, equities, and that's a key point to take away today as well. More pipelines, even more pipelines. And I think this, you've seen this before, this is a very good example of the mind maps, the visualizations, and as I said, they're interactive as well. It's most important to remember here that 99% of the companies in our chosen areas, the frontier technologies, are all privately held. So what we're doing is plugging the information gap for companies and investors, mapping out competitive landscapes, ranking SWOT analysis for each and every item on the dashboard, and that, you know, in private markets, information is key. You'll see lots of these. There's lots of information about the features in our handouts and in our books. And finally, Targat's touched on this, but we have the InvestTech platform, thematic stock exchanges, our investor relations management system, and what I think is really interesting is the IP and investment trading platform. So we have lots of projects, there's one idea behind it, and they're all connected, and that's what I wanted to show you.